What's going on, everybody? It's your boy James.
And Maurice. Today we're diving into a game changer for real estate agent. Why do you need to focus on online advertising to grow your business?
If you're relying on old school method like flyers or cold calling, this video is for you. Online advertising is where it's at, and we're going to break down exactly why.
Plus, stick around to the end for some practical tips to get started. Let's do this. First, let's talk about why online advertising is non-negotiable. Study shows that over 90% of home buyers start their search online, whether it's on Zillow, Realtor.com, or social media.
Exactly. People aren't flipping through newspaper or waiting for open house signs anymore. They scroll through Instagram, they watch YouTube videos, and they do a Google search. And if you're not there, you're invisible.
Online ads lets you meet clients where they are. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Google Ads lets you target specific audiences, like first-time home buyers, luxury property seekers, or renters in your area.
And what's the best part about all this? You can track everything. Unlike billboards, you know exactly how many people saw your ads, how many people click on it, or they can contact you. And you can get those data so that you can use it to make better decisions. So what makes online advertising so powerful for real estate agents? Let's break down 3 big reasons why.
Number 1, reach. Online ads gets your listing in front of thousands of people instantly. You can target location, age, income, even interest, like people who follow home decor pages.
Number 2, it's cost effective. Compared to traditional marketing, online advertising is way more affordable, and you can start as little as $5 a day on platforms like Facebook, Google, YouTube, and you only pay for the results, click per leads.
Number 3, engagement. Online ads aren't just static images. You can use videos, virtual tours, or interactive posts to showcase properties. And 2023 study shows that video ads get 3 times more engagement than print ads for real estate.
Plus, you can target people who have already shown interest. Say if someone visit your listing or someone visit your website, but they don't call you, you can show them ads on Instagram and bring them back to your page. Super powerful.
Still not convinced? Let's talk about real results. We know agents who doubled their leads in months by focusing on online ads.
For example, let's just talk about how we run our ads. Real estate agents like us in Fresno, we start running our Instagram ad and showcasing properties by doing short form videos, photos, and in just 3 months, we instantly get leads. And you can get leads as fast as the next day. 5 leads a day, 10 leads a day. It really depends on how much you want to spend. These aren't fluke. Online advertising work because it's very targeted, measurable, and it's scalable. You just need to start small and then you optimize it as it goes.
Here are the 3 quick tips to start with online advertising.
First, you got to choose the right platform. Start with Facebook and Instagram for their targeting options, or you can use Google Ads for people who are actively searching.
Second, create a compelling content. So use high quality photos, videos, or virtual tours. Highlight what makes your listing special, create views, new renovation, whatever it is.
Guys, the last thing, which is the third thing, is you want to test and track these ads that you're running. Start with a small budget, like $10 a day, and monitor what is working. You can tweak your ad based on the data that you get, so then you can produce better results over time.
And don't be afraid to learn. There are a lot of tutorials on YouTube or courses that you can find so that you can master online ads.
Guys, so there you have it. Online advertising is one of the key things you need to learn in order for you to grow your real estate business in 2025. It's where your clients are at, and it's cost effective and it's result driven.
If you're not using online ads yet, now's the time to start. Your next big client is out there waiting to find you.
And if you have any questions and you find this video helpful, let us know. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and let us know how we can help you guys. And let's increase your real estate game to the next level.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.
Are you a real estate agent that is tired of wasting your time hosting open houses, doing door knocking, and cold calling for leads? We created free training on how you can add an extra $343,000 in profit a year consistently by selling new construction homes using system, automations, and internet marketing in a brand new market, all without spending more than 4 hours a day in your real estate business. Even if you're a brand new agent with little marketing budget or nobody knows who you are, all you need to do is register the link below and we'll send you the new construction class training along with the text system and email system that we currently have. Here's what you'll learn in the new construction class training. how to find your niche and position yourself as an expert in your local market so then you can be popular and dominate your competition. You'll also learn how to get an endless stream of online lead chasing you down daily. You'll also learn how to automate your business and get the best sales agent in your market to prospect leads and generate sales for you 24/7 without ever complaining, leaving you, or taking a break. We're looking for a couple of agents that we can help grow their real estate business by helping them bring their real estate business using the internet. All you need to do is click on this link and register down below, and we'll send you the new construction class training. Peace and love.